The Honan No Pull Dog Harness with front clip comes in X small, medium, extra large and large sizes. It can be purchased for around $20.99 and offers black, orange and green colors to choose from. The veterinarian-approved Dog K9 Sling Lift adjustable strap support harness helps with loss of stability caused by joint injuries and arthritis. ACL Rehabilitation Rehab has a retail price of $27.95. This item is available in 3 different sizes and it is rated at 4.4 out of 5 stars. The Voyager All-Weather Step retails for around $12.99 and can be found in 4 different sizes. It is given a rating of 4.2 out of 5 stars. The Puraboo Dog Safety Vest Harness offers 3 different sizes to choose from. It can be found in 9 different colors. The No Pull No Choke Dog Vest Harness has a rating of 5.0 out of 5 stars. It is available in small, medium, large and X-large sizes and this item can be purchased for around $19.99. The Pet Safe Easy Walk Harness comes in 6 different colors, can be purchased for around $19.95 and this item is given a rating of 4.0 out of 5 stars. It can be found in 7 different sizes. The Best Front Range No is available in Classic Black, Classic Blue, Classic Green, Classic Grey, Great Orange, Hot Pink and Pretty Red colors. It retails for around $24.99, is available in X small, medium, large and X large sizes and this item is reviewed at 4.0 out of 5 stars.